Hi, in this video we will see how to add other view controllers to our storyboard and how to pass data between them. View transitions are called segues. We can define them directly on the storyboard or perform the segue programmatically if needed. Let's first do that directly from the storyboard. We'll start by adding a new button to our login view controller. This will be for password recovery. We remove the text. We will add an image background. So we copy the image file to our project. Okay. In the button properties, you can select here the background image. You have the forget password button, not PNG. Besides it, this is our forget password button. This should lead us to another view controller. So here we add a new view controller to our storyboard, change the frame size. We press on the control button on the keyboard and drag to the new view controller. Here we have the segue types. The show used to be named the push segue, which is managed by a UI navigation controller. We have the show detail, the present modally, the popover presentation, which is used to present a pop-up window on an iPad, and you can define custom segues. Here we will use the present modally. Okay, so this is our segue, triggered by the forget password button. We will add a title to the new view controller. This is a label. Beside it, this will be the password recovery. You can set the text to center, and here we go. Let's run the app. Now when we click on the forget password, we have our new view controller. But we can't go back to our login screen. So we need to add a button to go back. Here is our button. Back. Login. Okay. And we need to add an action to this button. Before we add the action, we need to set this screen view controller files. So we create here new file. This will be a Cocoa touch class. Next, we call it password recovery. This will be of UI view controller type. We don't need a zip file because we're working with storyboards. Language Objective-C. Okay, next. Save the files. And here are our new .h and .m file. We link this screen with the new files. Here in the third tab, we select the password recovery view controller. Okay, now we go to our .h file. We declare an IB action to dismiss the view. Go back. Okay. We implement this method. Go back. Here we should call the self dismiss view controller animated, yes, no need to completion. Go to the storyboard and add the action to the button, always on the touch app inside. This is the go back. Okay. Now when we click on the forgot password, we can go back to the login screen. Now we will do that. We will do the segue programmatically in the login button. We will add a new view controller like this. Change the screen size. iPhone. We can make a zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Now to make a programmatic segue, we need to link our file owner. We press the Control key on the keyboard and we drag to our new view controller. This will be present modally. Okay. Now we go to we should first give an identifier to this segue. This will be, go to main view. Okay, so this will be our main view. This will be our main view. Okay. Now in our login view controller class, here, when we press the login button and when the login has succeeded, we will open the new view. So we call the method self perform segue with identifier. We copy our segue identifier and we paste it here. Sender self, and this will perform the segue. Okay, let's run the app. Now, when we click on login, this is incorrect credentials, and here this will open the new view. No, this is wrong. Okay. It's incorrect username and password. Okay. Now this opens our main view. We have no back button. Now we will try to pass data between these views. We'll try to pass our username to the main view controller. First, we need to create the main view controllers class. Okay, save the files, and here we will first declare a new property. This will be a string username. Here in the view controller, we need to implement the prepare for segue method. Okay. Now before segue, the prepare for segue method will be called to check if there are any action to make before we perform the segue. So here first we will test on the segue identifier is equal to string. The string will be our go to main view. Then we will pass the username, this one, to the next view controller. So we need first to import the main view controller.h file, and here we declare the main view controller next view. This will be the destination view controller of the segue. Next view, the property of creating, we called it username. This will be the fake username variable. Okay, so now when we will perform the segue, we will call this method and pass the fake username to the property username of the next view, which is a main view controller. Okay, now we go to our viewcontroller.m file in the did load. We will set, let's first create the UI label for the username. This will be an media outlet property UI label username. Okay. Username label. Here in the did load method, called self.username label text will be equals to the self.username. Okay, in the main storyboard, add here my label. This will be for the username. Okay, resize it. Okay. Now we need to reference this label. First we link our view with our main view controller. Okay, here is our username. Must reference the username label. Okay, here. Now I think we are done. Let's check this. The credentials. Password. Go. Okay, this is our username. We passed this string from the login view to the main view controller. Okay. Now we will see the push segue. We will change this segue type to the show This is managed by a UI navigation controller. So we need to add here, we need to embed our view into an UI navigation controller. This will display a navigation bar on top. Okay. Should this, and for the model Segues, we will have no navigation bar. Okay, and this will display the back button, which is managed by a UI navigation controller. Let's run the app, enter password, and go, and here is our main view and our back button, managed automatically by a UI navigation controller. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorials. Bye bye.